How to find clans in Clash Royale. If you want to join a clan in Clash Royale, it helps you trade cards on rewards and battles. And here is how to find and join one. You have to be in the clan section from the homepage. You can find a clan to see the recommended clan based on your level and play style. Here you can see the boards moving. You have to just tap on the boards. Here you can see the members that have joined this clan. There can be 50 total numbers of members, out of which only 27 members have joined this clan. To join the clan, you just have to tap on to join button and you can see various clans that you can join. Use the search bar to enter a clan name and clan tag if you are looking for a specific one. Tap on show. In the search bar, you just have to put a clan name or clan tag and it will take you to that clan. You can also tap advanced search to filter by type, minimum trophies required, location, clan wars activity. Choose a clan that fits your playstyle and join. You can go to the leadership board to see the top ranked clans. Some competitive clans may require an application or high trophies to join. Many active clans recruit on platforms like Reddit and Discord services. Join a clan that matches your playstyle. And that's it. Now you know how to find and join clans in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.